So here's the deal, guys. Gardening can be expensive, but what if I told you that you can level up your garden in 2025 with items less than a cup of coffee? That's right, less than a cup of coffee. I am here inside my Dollar Tree, and we are going shopping for some hidden gems to make your garden even more beautiful for the spring. But before I hit the aisles, I am going to challenge myself not to spend any more than $40. So enough talking and let's go treasure hunting. This, I have to say, is one of the best Dollar Trees I've ever been to. I was just here about 2 days ago and they have restocked. Take a look at this solar stake light. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? Literally, I was here just 2 days ago and they have restocked this Dollar Tree. I have hit the jackpot when it comes to Dollar Trees, because you know most Dollar Trees are not created equal, and this is just tucked in a little corner in a shopping mall, and you would not think it's a really great Dollar Tree because it's so small, but this is one of the best ones I've been to. This is absolutely beautiful. Can you imagine this just lighting up the garden or a path? That would be absolutely beautiful. Now remember, guys, most of these stuff here is about $5 to $3, but if you go to Home Goods, you're not going to get prices like this. You're going to get prices at least $10, $12, $15, $30. Something like this would cost about at least $10 to $20. Maybe it may not be the greatest quality, but it will last for what you need it for. Scented candle, guys, scented candles. They are big. They're not small. They're very large scented candles. It comes in this cute little bucket. There is that silver bucket, a red bucket, a light blue bucket. And guys, look what I found. This is probably $5. They didn't even take this out yet, but I am grabbing that. Isn't that so cute? What do you think that would cost in a Home Goods or Walmart or IKEA? Leave it in the comment section. This bumblebee is coming home with me. That's right. You are coming home with me, little bumblebee. You are coming home with me. Get ready to get into my cart. Guys, look at this cute bird feeder. It is a metal stake bird bath. Now, I'm not sure if you put water in it, but just think about it. You can just put maybe seeds or bird seeds. Look how cute that would be in your garden. You got to give me a thumbs up. They have solar caps here. Just food for thought. My solar cap that I got from Home Depot broke about a week ago, so this would be a great buy for me just to get these solar caps, but they have it here at this Dollar Tree. God, I want this mushroom. I want this mushroom so bad. It's $3. What do you think? Should I splurge or have I done enough splurging? Let me know. Let me know. This is a glass tabletop torch. So I don't know what you put in there, but I mean, it looks really nice. It looks very elegant. It looks like something that you would get in one of those big box stores. Another item that I have not seen in Dollar Tree. I am so torn between which color to get. Do I get that pink or do I get the fuchsia greenish one? And I think that there's a purple. Which one would you get? Would you even get it? And this is for $5 and they look really sturdy too. And as much as there are so much really cool items here, you can't go without a pressure pump. It's so funny. Again, at one of those big box stores, I paid $20 for a pressure sprayer, and it's right here at Dollar Tree for $3. Some more bumblebees that are here that are garden stakes. Oh man, I wish some of this was $3, but most of this is $5. But when it comes to your decor and your garden, you have to have a space that speaks to you. So I don't mind spending the money because it's just going to be really something that's really going to look fantastic when I'm done. Those big outdoor lanterns, again, this is something that you would find in Home Depot. I had my eye on this at Home Depot and I kid you not, it was like $30. Here, $5. $5. And this one really looks real. This one looks like it's metal. Can you believe that? Wow. Huge pots. Huge self-watering pots. What do you think this would be in Lowe's? Do you think that this would be $5 or $3? This would be, even though it's plastic, this would be about $25 at most. And look, you can make a little neighborhood of your own in your own garden with these cute little miniature houses that they have here. If you're looking for some heavy tools, and you know, heavy tools when it comes to Dollar Tree, this is it, a folding pruning saw here at Dollar Tree. I've never seen a folding pruning saw at all. And let's go up right here, gnomes and all these decorative items. This one is a solar item that you put outside and it recharges itself. But just look at that really cute frog, those twin frogs, and the other frog, and I don't even know what this is. That's a groundhog maybe, and a gnome. Wow, I'm just going to give you a wider look. This is something that caught my eye. It's right next to the gardening section. It's really just a laundry basket. You can put your vegetables or just any other garden supplies inside the basket. And this one looks like it would be really great for a raised garden bed. This is another pot that you would see in maybe Walmart or one of those high-end stores. I love the texture. I love the two-tone color. So this is something that I would get for $5. This is absolutely beautiful. It's like a light pink and I love that texture. It's really, really deep and it feels sturdy too. It doesn't feel flimsy. Okay, I'm a sucker every day. This is so cute. I love the color of it too. Got these little cute little tables here too. They're small little garden tables. Different colors, red, yellow, green. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna get one. I know this is $5, but I know they're gonna go fast. Look at this, this is a garden stake. Look how big that is. If you want a wildflower garden, you can have it right here. They have so many different varieties. This is Old English, and we have a summer bonnet series. This is so many. We have zinnias that I am definitely going to pick up. And what else do we have here? Let me see. Margarita, a painted daisy margarita. So this is seeds that you can get, that you can sprinkle in your garden or in a pot. And lots of these are also wildflowers too. What it says on the box, it comes with about 500 seeds. And what you do is make sure the soil is at the tip of the rim of the flower rocket, thoroughly soak with water, then water twice daily afterwards, and do not let it dry out. This will decrease growth. So this is absolutely really cool to get if you want to start gardening indoors or you are a beginner gardener. I'm in trouble. Guys, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, The Determined Gardener. That was lots of fun. You know what? I did overspend, but hey, you got to sometimes treat yourself once in a while. Let me know if there was any items that you liked or any items that you plan on getting from the ones that I showed you today. Again, thank you so much. Join the family, subscribe, and like this channel, and don't forget to share it with your family and friends. And coming up in another video that you definitely won't want to miss, I will be comparing Dollar Tree seeds to Walmart or Lowe's or even Home Depot seeds and see how they grow and see whether it is worth buying Dollar Tree seeds for $1.25. So it's definitely going to be a video you do not want to miss. Keep